Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I'm pretty stoked that I finally got this. This is the brand new latest Apple MacBook Pro with the 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. So I ordered this on November 16, 2020, and it took almost a month just to get here. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, this is the one with the new and latest M1 chipset. I heard it's pretty fast, and the battery life on this lasts up to like 20 hours. So yeah, let's dive into it. Oh, there's a pull tab here. I don't even need a knife. Wow, look at that. Wow, nice, very, very nice. Got the MacBook Pro right there. MacBook Pro. There's your Apple logo right there. MacBook Pro again. And then your Apple logo. So there you go, 16GB of memory, which is I upgraded, and I upgraded to 1TB SSD. There's the part number right there, MJ123LL/A as in Apple. I had to convert the serial number, so yeah, this probably direct ship from China, so that's why it takes forever to get here. So anyway, there's a pull tab here. I'm just gonna pull it and see if it's gonna open. Ta-da! It's a pretty hard cover. Wow. See what we got in here. You got this USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. And designed by Apple in California. Got the MacBook Pro. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. Got the menu bar, FaceTime, HD camera, spotlight, control center, finder, dock, systems preference, headphone. Got the Thunderbolt / USB 4. So this one has a touch bar and a touch ID power button. And also has a forced touch trackpad. And you got two of this gray sticker, Apple logo. Then that's it. So this one's a fast charger brick, 61 watts, USB Type-C power adapter. And then you connect the USB Type-C right there. Let's go and then take this out. Unfortunately, they don't come with the extension cord. Somehow Apple, they keep on giving you less and less. And this is a pretty expensive unit. It's about $2,000. So this one, you can remove it and add the extension cord, but so maybe I can use my old one. Okay, and then you just charge your MacBook with that. So let's go and then check out the new MacBook. Put this away. Hopefully I'm not going to scratch it. So I'll go ahead and take out this protective sleeve. So like always, you have those for those rubber feet. There's your Apple logo right there. Let me see if I can lift it with one finger. Wow. Wow. And they greet you with the Apple logo. So yeah, I need to set this up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, and it talks to you, so. So it says select your country. It's on United States right now. Oh, I gotta press continue. I cannot press enter. And then it asks you to set up this accessibility. Not now. So I need to connect to my Wi-Fi. Alright, data and privacy, press continue. If you have any information on another Mac or a PC, you can transfer it to this PC. You can also transfer information from Time Machine backup or another step-up disk. Well, anyway, I'm gonna set this up since I'm gonna set up on my other MacBook Pro. Hopefully it's gonna work. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop in a comments on below. Well, before we go, by the way, this one has a pretty nice speaker, but you guys will need to wait for the review later on. This is just an unboxing video. Plus, my wife just told me if I purchase anything from Apple with my Apple card, I get like a 3% back. So, and then I contact the Apple customer service. They told me I need to bring this back and then refund it and repurchase back with my Apple card in order to get my 3%. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.